What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you this bomb curly unit with HD lace. So make sure you guys stay tuned in this video so I can give you guys all of the details. Alright, you guys, so this wig is from West Kiss Hair. This is what the box looks like, and of course I'm going to go over you guys what was in the box. First, I have this bonnet. It was actually really cute, and it was really flexible. Then I have that little scarf, some lashes, a satin scarf, and an eyebrow brush. Oh, and can't forget your wig cap, of course, and elastic band. Oh, we also had this little West Kiss Hair bag, little satin bag. But this is what the wig looks like when you get it. Like I said, this is HD lace. You can always tell good lace by the edges. The edges are usually a little cut up on the HD lace. This is what the inside looks like. We got 3 combs and adjustable bands, and this is what the curl pattern looks like. This hair is beautiful, okay? So first things first, I did go ahead and bleach those knots. Like I said, if you guys can see the edges of the lace, they're like raggedy and like jagged. Not raggedy, but they're jagged. That's how you can usually tell an HD lace. So first things first, I am just bleaching those knots. I already have my wig cap on, and now I'm just cutting those ears out of the wig cap. After I'm done cutting those ears out, then I'm going to use my Got2b spray, of course, and I'm going to do 2 layers of that. So I'm going to do my first layer, and then once that first layer is dry, then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it to make sure it's dry, and then I'm going to do my second layer. So make sure that first layer is dry before you do the second, and make sure that that second layer is dry before you start cutting it, okay? So right here, I'm just getting started with cutting my cap off, cutting that excess cap off. I'm just using my eyebrow razor per usual. If you guys aren't new here, then you guys already really know the routine as far as why I use my eyebrow razor. Next, I'm just putting my foundation all over my wig cap, just so that, you know, once you put the wig on, it just blends in and the wig cap isn't looking all beige. I'm using my Kdotcouture hair glue, and then I'm just going to slide my wig on, and I'm going to pin it back so that none of the glue gets into the lace before it's supposed to, or that none of the hair gets into the glue. So I'm just putting that on, and then I'm just going to spread it with the end of my rat tail comb. If you see what I mean right there, like the glue had gotten into the hair, so I really should have pinned it up before I started, but I did it halfway through. So that first layer is looking pretty dry, so now I'm just going in with my second layer and putting that on the same parts, using that rat tail comb again just to smooth that out. And then we're going to just lift the lace forward and place it directly in the glue, okay? So that's what I'm saying right here. I'm literally taking the wig and placing it directly into the glue. I'm really not sure why this time the glue didn't dry all the way clear. There was still like a lot of white left back on this glue, but that's okay because I can fix it. But yeah, usually you want to let the glue be absolutely clear. So now I'm just taking my blow dryer, and I'm just using my comb to push that glue into the lace just to melt that. I'm putting my hair into a ponytail, and then I'm going to put on my elastic band. So once you put on your elastic band, you also want to make sure that your ears are tucked. Like, pull the lace down on the ears part just to make sure that, you know, everything's getting set like it should. So now I'm just using my blow dryer, and I'm just going over top of that elastic band. So once I take it off, that's what it's looking like. If you guys look from certain angles with the HD lace, you really can't even tell that the lace isn't cut yet, because that's how like HD it is. Like, it's so see-through. I love HD lace. So I'm just cutting that off, and then I'm just going over with my, what is this, my makeup brush again. That's going to get rid of that white residue that's left back from the glue. So that's my little trick for that every time. And then I'm just going to continue to cut my lace. So I'm going to take this little glue pen, also from Kdotcouture Hair, and I'm going to use it to re-glue my ear tab, because I don't know, like right there, like by my ear, it just wasn't, it just like the lace didn't, I don't know, like it just kept coming up. Long story short, it just kept coming up. So I'm just using that because it's small, it's precise, you can get it exactly where you want it, and I'm just using that to secure that lace on that side. So with this, it's the same glue, so all you're going to do is just, you know, let it dry a little bit, and then you're going to put it in. Alright guys, so this is how the lace is looking. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start styling this. Oh my gosh guys, this wig is so freaking bomb. Like, it's so bomb. So now I'm just doing my baby hairs. You guys, you know, I'll usually do the 2 on each side, the swoop in the front, and then the little sideburns on both sides. So that's what I'm doing here. So now I'm just using my same eyebrow razor just to cut those baby hairs, and then I'm going to use my little mini flat iron and do that little trick that Tay taught us with the mini flat iron. So I'm going to go ahead and curl those baby hairs real tight and bump them on under. And then for my baby hairs, I used to use, well, initially I used Got2b like gel to do my baby hairs. Then I started doing the mousse like everybody else, but now I just use the Got2b spray and put it directly on the brush, and then like it gives me perfect edges every time. Like, I haven't had any complaints, I haven't had any white residue, nothing like that, and I don't have to do the whole process of putting the satin scarf on again, letting it sit again. Like, when you're in a rush, I really feel like this is the best method for that. Like I said, like, it just gives me exactly what I need. As you guys can see, like, easy peasy. Alright guys, so I went and beat the face, and this is what it's looking like so far. Guys, this hair is so big and so just like so pretty, but I am going to go ahead and wet it so that I can show you guys what it looks like. But I am going to show it to you when it's dry. I don't want to show you when it's wet. This is what it looks like when it's dry. Oh my gosh, I was so satisfied with this wig. Like, the curl pattern is just so bomb. It wasn't tangly, it didn't shed, like nothing. It's really just like really good. I just love it. It's just really, it's a good curl pattern for you guys who want to get some good curly hair. This is it. This is only 24 inches, and as you can see, it's literally to the very top of my back. I mean, top of my butt, the bottom of my back. And yeah, you guys, so like I said, this is from West Kiss Hair. This is HD lace, 24 inches, 180% density. Of course, I will be leaving the information for this wig in the description box. Make sure you guys check out West Kiss Hair. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok as well, because I'll be on TikTok doing little hair tutorials sometimes too. So make sure you guys follow me on TikTok as well at Kdotcouture, Instagram at Kdotcouture, and check out West Kiss Hair. I also did another little style, so I'm going to show you guys that. I did this little half up, half down with the two little parts in the front. Like, I thought that was so cute. Like, I was feeling that. I love me a good have a half up, half down. So, yeah. You could do so many different styles with this. You could do a middle part. You could do side part. You could just do, like, free and wild. That's what I like. I like the free and wild. So, yeah. But that's about it for this video, you guys. Until next time, stay positive and be blessed.